bottom of Gilmore Lane. Was that up to your ankles? All right, come on, before you get swept away. Now go in the middle. Go first. Wait till she goes halfway.
I'm not worried about that right now. Oh.
My boy is walking through 6 inches of water bottom of Gilmore Lane. Just to see how far it is.
Yeah, and Tim's.
Alright, go Jess. Here comes an ATV. I don't know if it's gonna make its way through here or not, people. But we'll see what's going on, see what they're doing. They're turning around or coming through. This is fucking crazy. I ain't never seen this much rain up here in Polk County, Venango County area. Never. My family's been owning the property up here for the last 35 years, maybe 36 years. It's crazy.
Huh?
This is crazy.
Oh. Look at all the roads.
This road's done. They're going to have to shut this down.
We're going down there to see what it looks like where that cement barriers are.
Alright.
Hey, I've been up there and I've never seen it like that.
Right. My dad said they've been up here for almost over 30 years and they never seen rain like this.
Saying. Look at it, it's crazy.
Yeah,
this is
awesome.
Yeah, watch for them bears now.
Yep.
This spring line, you'll ride.
Yeah.
Look at how high it is. That's what I'm saying.
That was my neighbor.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, Jesse?
Put the camera back on the shoes again. Now we just saw me take and do this before. And now it comes out more. And you don't get nothing but rain up there. Well, we know I'm gonna have to mess up my cowboy boots now.
You'll be alright.
No, I don't think he's gonna be drive by tomorrow. That's
Oh,
what
fuck
I'm
no.
saying.
Fuck no. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's quicksand. No, don't. Cause I just sunk right here.
Okay.
And this is only 2 inches of mud.
Yeah.
Imagine you go out there.
2 inches of mud.
Yeah, this is 2 inches of mud right here where my feet are.
I'm good. I wanted to go up there. He told me not to.
Good, you could.
Yeah, people, and it's foggy as hell up in this bitch.
Yeah, but we got this.